Vincent van Gogh.
He could, in a single day, make a great painting that is
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Pinellas County in west central Florida until 4:30 p.m. At 3:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Seminole, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Petersburg, Largo, Pinellas Park, Seminole, Gulfport, St. Pete Beach, Treasure Island, Kenneth City, South Pasadena, and Madera Beach. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for west central Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county: Pinellas, Florida.
So I can make my mind